Thank you for joining us today. Today we will be discussing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This is the first of 4 sessions. Today we will cover as much as possible, but our topics today will include a brief introduction to the product and how it works. But before we begin, let's learn more about Opal Business Solutions. Opal has approximately 20 team members with a wide variety of technical expertise and certifications. Opal is also a Silver Enterprise Partner in CSP with Microsoft. Opal strives hard to serve as an extension of your team in helping you to design and deliver technology solutions to help you anticipate and overcome business challenges. With 2 offices on the East Coast, Opal provides quick and reliable products and service throughout the United States. Opal is able to provide one-stop for your technology needs. Whether looking for enterprise-level hardware, SMB equipment, or even certified pre-owned, Opal can provide the equipment to meet your needs. Opal also provides CSP licensing on Microsoft applications while also customizing any software to meet your needs. Finally, Opal's network services team provides the expertise and knowledge to design, upgrade, and support your entire infrastructure. With Opal's team monitoring and maintaining your network, you will have the latest security protection and meet the industry-verified compliances. Without further delay, I am Dallas Davidson, a Business Central engineer here at Opal Business Solutions. Let's begin our presentation and learn more about Dynamics 365 Business Central. Let's start by asking, what is Dynamics 365 Business Central? Business Central is part of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 product line of enterprise resource planning applications. Business Central is Microsoft's premier cloud-based financial management solution, as it's used by companies of all sizes to automate key business processes. It is an all-in-one business management solution that is easy to use and adapt. Since it is a cloud-based solution, Business Central is available on your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, so you can get real-time information on your business no matter where you are. Business Central also integrates seamlessly with additional Microsoft software, including Outlook, Excel, Word, Power BI, Dynamics 365 Sales, and Office 365. Our future sessions will review the integration features of Business Central in more depth. But no matter what kind of business you are a part of, every business needs a financial management solution. Business Central's out-of-the-box capabilities include financial management, supply chain management, customer service management, project management, and more. This allows you to get an end-to-end overview of your business and your business processes, all through using one application. Business Central also has easy-to-follow charts and integrations with Power BI, which allows powerful reporting for real-time monitoring of your business data. By using Business Central, you can have more control over your business data, business processes, and manage your business more effectively. So there are some core concepts to understanding navigation in Business Central. If you have experience using any of the Microsoft Office applications, you will find the interface is very similar. Business Central is especially like Dynamics Sales that was discussed in April. So here are the basic concepts. The black band at the top of the screen is called the navigation pane and controls the entire navigation of Dynamics 365. It also provides a visual crumb trail of where the user is at in the application. Anywhere that you see a caret icon, there are options available underneath or next to. Below the navigation pane, you also have the ribbon, which is related to the specific area that a user is in within Business Central. The different areas within Business Central are listed at the top of the ribbon. More areas are found by clicking the arrow to the right. The bottom part of the ribbon is populated with your action commands. The action commands will change throughout the Business Central system depending on where you are and what actions will be relevant to that specific page. For example, the ribbon may create a new sales document on the customer page and a new purchase document on the vendor page. Filters. Whenever you are looking at a list of data, can always be displayed in a list or tile view. So for example, under the filters heading here, we have a towel view. The grid views throughout Microsoft Dynamics 365 have a common functionality, including the ability to select one or more records to complete an action, the ability to sort, filter, and search data, and the ability to analyze the data within charts. Role Centers are Business Central's home pages. You can switch Role Centers by going to the cog button at the top right corner of the screen and selecting My Settings, and then selecting the ellipses next to the Role Center field. There are currently 12 different Role Centers that exist within Business Central. Each Role Center has specific tiles and metrics that are relevant to the daily activities for that role. The Business Manager Role Center is the default Role Center for Business Central and has tasks such as beginning a new sales quote or sales invoice that may be specific to the business manager. The Intelligent Insights, which we'll also go into more depth in future sessions on, also reflects information for the business manager, such as sales forecasts and data. The Project Manager Role Center is another Role Center in Business Central that reflects tasks relevant to project managers. So instead of actions like creating a new sales invoice, the actions in this Role Center are focused more on reporting and management. The current view of Business Central can also be easily customized by selecting My Settings and personalizing the page. You can personalize any screen within Dynamics 365 Business Central this way. You can add Microsoft Ready fields to any page or hide and delete fields from any page. To add custom fields that are not a Microsoft Ready field, you would use AL Code, the coding language specific to Business Central, and Visual Studio Code. However, Business Central is also compatible with Dynamics 365 Power Apps. So if there is a business need or process that is not compatible with Business Central out of the box, you may find an app that easily snaps into Business Central. To snap in an app, all you have to do is select the app from the App Store and download it to your current tenant. Like Dynamics 365 for sales, accounts can be stored and managed in Business Central as vendors, customers, contacts, and more. Account data and information such as quotes, sales orders, sales invoices, purchase orders, and purchase invoices are stored within the account cards. What you are looking at now is an example of a customer list in Business Central. Each customer's specific sales history is easily accessible for each customer. The sales history will include ongoing quotes, sales orders, sales invoices, and even posted sales invoices. You can easily see a customer's outstanding sales history. If you drill into a customer's sales history, you can also see if an invoice has been paid by your customer yet, or if it's still outstanding. This view can be seen on a vendor screen as well. And although we will talk about this more in later sessions, you are also able to start a new sales document directly from this window. If we were on a vendor screen, we would also be able to create a new purchase document directly from the screen as well. The account screens are also able to be filtered and customized like the home screen. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the webinar, in addition to having accounts and data storage similar to Dynamics 365 Sales, Business Central also has inventory and supply chain management. I wanted to give you a brief introduction of what the inventory list and item cards actually look like in Business Central. What you're looking at now is one of the views of the inventory list. This is an example of an item card. Within Business Central, items can be assigned as physical inventory or resources. If an item requires assembly, Business Central also supports item kitting and enables resources to be assigned to assemble items within the item card. Item attributes are stored per item and seen on the right hand of the screen and just below the picture. Item costs, prices and sales information, replenishment information, item tracking and warehouse information, and item planning requirements are all stored within the item card as well. Multiple warehouses and locations can also be set up to receive items. Currently, there are 3 different license types available for Business Central: Premium, Essentials, and Team Member. The biggest difference between the licensing options is what a full user and what an additional user is. Full users have access to the entire Business Central environment, depending on the permissions they are granted. Additional users only have limited access to certain areas of Business Central. In order to license a member of your organization as a team member, at least one other member of your company must be licensed with a Business Central Premium or Business Central Essentials license as a full user. You cannot mix and match Premium and Essentials licenses, though. Business Central Premium and Essentials have many of the same features, such as financial management, project management, supply chain management, and warehouse management. However, one big difference between Premium and Essentials is that Premium has access to service management and manufacturing functionalities, and as we will see in later sessions, the Premium edition is integrated with Dynamics 365 Sales as well. Team members have full read permissions throughout Business Central. They can also update existing records and have approval permissions for workflows. They can also create, edit, and delete quotes and their own personal information. They can also enter timesheets. But as I mentioned previously, at least one other user in the organization must be a licensed full user. Lastly, I wanted to mention the cost of the Business Central licenses. Business Central Premium is $100 per user per month. Business Central Essentials is $70 per user per month, and Team Members is $8 per user per month. To help you determine which plan is best for your business, Opal Business Solutions consultants will work with you to ensure that you receive the right licenses. So at this time, we will read any questions that have been submitted through the chat functionality, and if you think of any questions, I'll wait a minute if any get submitted later. All right, I don't think that any questions are being submitted, and I don't have any as of now. But if anyone thinks of any, feel free to email me at dallas@opalbiz.com. Otherwise, thank you for joining us today on this session, and we look forward to next week. Please remember to look for our monthly newsletter sent the fourth week of every month, as well as our Microsoft email sent the first week of every month in order to keep updated on the latest tips and features. Thank you, and please remember to look for this video and others on the Opal YouTube channel.